In 1932, Australia faced an unusual enemy, emus. Farmers were battling against emus destroy crops. The government decided to intervene with military support. 2 soldiers were dispatched with machine guns. The emus proved to be formidable opponents. The emus dispersed, running faster than the soldiers could aim. The military's efforts were largely ineffective against the agile birds. After several attempts, only a few emus were killed. The emus continued to wreak havoc on the farmland. Farmers were left frustrated with no resolution. The media covered the event, dubbing it the Great Emu War. It quickly became a historical curiosity. The military withdrew, and emus claimed a peculiar victory. Farmers employed different methods to control the emu problem. The Great Emu War remains a humorous chapter in history. It highlights nature's unexpected resilience against human intervention.